Good morning to all. Today's topic is thermodynamics. The first topic in this category is the factors affecting the enthalpy of reaction. There are basically 4 factors which affects the enthalpy of a reaction. These factors includes physical state of the reactants and the products, temperature of the reaction, quantities of reactants, and allotropic modification. The first factor, that is the physical state of the reactants and the products. Children, since a change in the physical state of a substance involves either evolution or absorption of the heat energy, therefore the heat of the reaction depends upon the physical state of the reactants and the products involved in the reaction. A change in the physical state of any of the reactant or product changes the value of the enthalpy change for the reaction. The second factor, that is temperature. A change in the temperature changes the heat content of the reactants and the products. Therefore, the heat of the reaction depends upon the temperature at which the reaction is carried out. And hence, the temperature at which the reaction is carried out should be mentioned along with the value of enthalpy change. The third factor, that is the quantities of the reactant. Children, the heat of the reaction depends upon the amount of the reactant. For example, say combustion of 2 grams of dihydrogen gas produces X kilojoules of energy. Then the combustion of 1 gram of the same dihydrogen gas would produce half the amount of energy, that is half of X. Now the fourth factor, that is the allotropic modification. The amount of the heat of the reaction changes when different allotropes of the substance are used in the reaction. For example, combustion of graphite gives carbon dioxide and the enthalpy change is minus 394 kilojoules per mole. But the combustion of diamond, another allotrope of carbon, gives carbon dioxide and the enthalpy change is minus 396 kilojoules per mole. So we can see that here a difference of 2 kilojoules per mole is present by changing or using different allotropic form. Now coming to the enthalpies for different types of reactions. Children, the enthalpies for the reaction as mentioned in NCERT are standard enthalpy of combustion, enthalpy of atomization, bond enthalpy, lattice enthalpy, enthalpy of solution, and enthalpy of dilution. Let's take one by one. First is the standard enthalpy of combustion. The standard enthalpy of combustion is defined as the enthalpy change per mole of a substance when it undergoes combustion and all the reactants and products are present in their standard states at the specified temperature. Now, since combustion is an exothermic process, therefore the enthalpy change is always negative for it. Take the example of butane. The combustion of 1 mole of butane yields 2658 kilojoules per mole of energy.